my gold. Yan. What's up guys? Yan, this is TTA at ngayon mag-unbox tayo. Unbox natin to. Kararating lang. And hulaan nyo saan galing. Yan. Galing kila Mami tsaka kila Papu. So, tingnan natin kung ano laman na itong mystery box na to ni Papu. Kaya wala ko pang bukas. And thank you so much Papu, Mami. At Pamas, thank you so much. So, let's check. What is the mystery box from Tampa, Florida to Tampo, Cavite? What's up, ka? Buksan natin. Ano yung bukasan? May ribbon. Ano itong ribbon na to? Saranggola. Magpadala si Papu ng saranggola. Para sa sakya papuntang Tampa. Yo! It's a green ribbon! Yay! Woohoo! Tcharan! Ayan o. It's a green bag. Oh my god. It's a big box again inside. So what's this? Let's find what's this. Keep your gift surprise. Keep your gift surprise. I'm surprised. Oh my god. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Alright. Let's unwrap the present muna. Sabi doon sa envelope eh. Masunurin tayong nilalang eh. So. Unwrapping. Baka bag pa lang, panalo na. Tcharan! Ito na. Another ribbon. Di pala. Another box. It's papel di hapon. Another box. A blue box. So, can I tear this apart? Wow, tear this apart. Here we go. Let's tear it. Oh my god, what's this? Oh my gold. Oh my gold, what's this? Ooh, oh my gold. It's a portable drone. Ito lang guys, drone. Yung box pa lang yan yung drone. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you so much Papu Oh my god. Let's put this out. I'm speechless. Speakless. Nagpapawisan ako ng malamig. Oh my gold! It's another case. It's a case. So let's see. Let's open it. Oh my goodness. It's true. It's a drone. Yan. Wow. I'm so happy I like this drone. Oh my god. It's mabigat. Oh, come on. It's drone. Wait. This is first. Oh my. It's definitely a drone. Wow. Oh my god. Thank you Papu, Mami sa drone. Saya. Thank you so much. Thank you. Iyak ako. I'm crying. Yeah, with this spare what you call this, LC. And the remote. This is the remote. Yan. It's the I think it's R drone. It's PL511 portable drone. Yan. Thank you so much Papu. I love you so much, Mami and Papu. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift. I will use this from my filming sa aking pag-vlog, sa aking mga fishing adventures ng aming group, which is the Tropical Aquatics. Thank you so much. And with his extra batteries, 2 extra batteries. I think it's have the batteries now. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I will yun. Ito ang laman ng ating gift from Papu. It's a drone. Thank you so much, Papu. And eto, dito naman tayo sa sobre. It's a surprise! Ayan na. Ayan. Yan. It's enjoy your gift from Kit D. Misho. Yan. Kay Papo galing yan. Kit D. Misho. Yan. Thank you so much, Papu and Mami. Ayan. It's from the Amazon. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift. Thank you. Daming thank you. Basta dami talagang thank you. Hindi magkakasyan thank you sa inyo yan. Mami and Papu for this wonderful drone. Yan. Sa susunod na video natin iti-testing naman natin to kung paano siya paliparin. Yan. So this is for the moment, this is our unboxing videos. So let's don't forget to watch Lino Garcia KM Vlogs on YT and FB page. Siyempre, the Tropical Aquatics FB and YT rin yan. Panoorin niyo yan lahat, guys. Thank you so much again, Mami and Papa, for this wonderful gift from us. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Abangan nyo yung ating testing ng drone na to. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much, Mami, Papu.